Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you to get FlekStore. So this is like the premium one. It's super cool app. I don't know why it just glitched right there. Let me just reopen it. But yeah, as you can see guys, this is the actual working FlekStore for your device. And you can download all these really cool apps with it. So I'm going to show you guys how to get this onto your device for iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the video. So first thing we're going to do is open a new tab, and on this tab I want you to type in hexmods.com. So let me just type that in right here. As you can see, so I'm just going to type in hexmods.com. And once you're on the site, guys, just go to the search bar and you just want to type in FlekStore. And this will give you like the premium FlekStore with everything unlocked. So go ahead and press on it and it starts downloading. So before it downloads, there is going to be verification. So this is the last step. It's just download 2 apps and complete the instructions, which are going to be different depending on each app. So just make sure you download 2 of them. So as you can see, it says missing files. So you just want to download some of these apps. So as you can see, it says complete 2 free apps. So like Underdog says down and run for 30 seconds. So I could do that one. Or I could do like Travel Town, you got to reach level 9. TikTok is another down and run for 30 seconds. So there's a video to watch if you're confused, but that's how I get FlekStore for your device. Premium FlekStore, all features unlocked. So enjoy it. This is super cool, guys. Totally works. So if this video works, you guys definitely go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, this is super crazy and it's totally updated. So I hope you guys found it useful. I've had no issues whatsoever, so I think it's pretty great. But yeah, I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super awesome and it totally works. So if this video works, you guys definitely go ahead and share it, and peace out.